Hello, I welcome you to today's lesson. My name is Paul Williams Ofori Jr. Yes, today we have science. Today's science is for basic 3, class 3, or primary 3. So if you are in primary 3, then this lesson is for you. So we are looking at strand 3, which is systems. Okay, so the sub-strand is the human body system. The human body system. So, when you come to the indicator, explain that the external part of the human body work interdependently to perform a function. Okay. The topic for today's lesson is the external part of human body. The external part of human body. The external part of human body. In this lesson, there are some key words that we need to know and understand. And the first one is what? Human. Human is about we human beings. Yes, it's about you, it's about me. It's not about plants, it's not about animals. This lesson is about human beings and we are part. So pay attention. The next word is function. The meaning of function is the same as, or function is the same as what? The role, the task, the work that something does. That is the meaning of what? Function. Now, the next word is interdependently. Say it after me. Interdependently. Interdependently means that one part depends on another part, or different parts come together to perform a task, to perform a role, to perform a function. So interdependently means that one part depends on the other. Okay, so in this lesson, we are going to look at the body parts, the external parts of our human body. So the next word is external. So external means outside. External means what? Outside. Things that we can see outside, not within. Our body. They are parts that we can see with our eyes. And that is what? Outside parts. That is what we are looking at. And then the next word is what? Important. All of you, important. So important is all about usefulness of something. Usefulness of something. Very good. Okay. So the human body is made up of different parts. Every part of the human body has a role it plays or work it does. Each part of the body is important and should be taken care of. So what we are saying is that our body has different parts and all the parts are so important, so we need to take good care of them. Okay, so there is a song here. I hope you know how to sing it. My head, my shoulder. Do you remember that song? Okay, so let's all sing it together. 1, go. My head, my shoulder, my knees, my toes. My head, my shoulder, my knees, my toes. My head, my shoulder, my knees, my toes. They all belong to Jesus. Very good. Now there is another one here. Where is my head? Do you remember this song? Where is your head? Oh, this is my head. Oh, where is your hand? Oh, this is my hand. Oh, where is your butter? This is my butter. So you know this song. Very good. So these songs help us to identify our body parts. Do you get it? So today, our lesson is all about human being. Our body parts. I have told you that the body parts, there are some parts that are inside, the internal parts, and there are some parts that are outside, the external parts. Today we are looking at what? The external parts. I hope you get it. There is an app that is going to help us identify our body parts. So let's go and watch it. Okay, so this is human body parts. we are going to look at the various parts and the role or the functions that they all perform. So if you look at it carefully, you see that we have our head, or the head is here, the neck, the torso, the limbs, we have shoulder, upper arm, forearm, hand, thigh, shin, and then the foot. So if I ask you to mention 5 parts or 5 external parts of human body, you should be able to tell me. The chest is here, the abdomen and the pelvis, they are all parts of the human body. Now, let's take the parts one after the other. So this is the head. We have the scalp, we have the forehead, we have the ear, we have the chin, we have the nape, we have the eye, we have the nose, we have the mouth, we have the neck. So what do we use the eyes for? We use the eyes for seeing. If you close your eyes, can you see me? No. So the eyes are used for seeing. Look at this one. This is the nose. What do you use your nose for? We use our nose for breathing. Breathe in, out. So we use the nose for breathing and also for smelling. If something is smelling bad, if something is smelling good, if your mother prepares food and the aroma is all over, you use the nose to detect or to tell. Do you believe it? Or have you seen it? Very good. I believe you have used your nose to tell nice things and then things that are not smelling good. So the next one is what? The mouth. The mouth is used for what? Talking. We talk. We use the mouth to talk. We use the mouth to eat. Okay, so we have the neck. The neck, this is the neck. It is used to hold what? The head. It is used to hold what? The head. We have the ear. These are ear. We use the ear for listening or for hearing. Very good. Now let's look at the next one. This is the arm. We have the upper arm, we have the elbow, we have the forearm, we have the wrist, we have the hand, and then we have fingers. So the hand is used for touching, it's used for holding things. You see, this is the wrist where we put watch. That's why we call this wrist what? Watch. I believe you get it. Now let's go to this side. This is the leg. What do you use the leg for? You use the leg for walking, for running, for jumping. You get it? Very good. So the legs also has the thighs, the knees, the shin, the ankle, the foot. So these are the parts of the human body that we see, the external part of the human body that we see. Now let's go back to our textbook. Let's go back to our textbook. So these are some parts of the external part of our human body, the external part of our human body. So you can see the ear, the nose, the mouth, the hand, the head, the eye, the arm, the foot. Very good. Now the functions, we have seen them. We have seen that the head is help us to think and it protects the brain. The ear for listening, the nose for breathing and for smelling. We have the eyes for seeing. So all these are the external parts, and I have explained them to you. Now let's look at this picture. You see the boy is what? The boy is writing. Okay, now some part of the body like the eyes, ears, hand and legs are two or are in what? Pairs. The head, the nose, the mouth, neck, chest and abdomen are not in pairs but single. Each body part does not work alone. Different body parts work together to perform a function. So what we are saying is that our body come together to perform a function. I am teaching. My hands are used to what? To hold the stick, to point at objects. My eyes are used to see. My legs help me to walk. So meaning that whatever that we do, any task we perform, we don't only use one part of the body, we use different parts. So one part depends on the other. The eyes can see, the legs can walk. Like we can use all parts of the body together. It means that all the body parts are what? Important, and each part depends on the other for the work that it does. Very good. So if you look at this boy, the boy is doing something. Which part of the body is the boy using? Okay, so you can see the hand, we have the eyes, the boy is sitting. So the boy is using what? The eyes, the hand, the bottles, and then which part? Even the head. The neck is supporting what? The head. Let's come to this side. The boy is riding. Now, if you are riding bicycle, which part of your body will you use? You use the eyes, the hands, the legs, the bottles. Very good. So, when you come here, look at this picture. Look at this picture. The boy is playing what? Football. He's kicking the ball. So which part of the body is he using? So you can tell. Look at this woman. What is she doing? She's what? Preparing banku. Which part of the body is she using? She's using the eyes, the hands, the legs. Let's come to this side. The boy, he's what? Climbing a tree. He's using the hands, the legs, the eyes, and then the other parts. Someone too is washing here. I hope you wash every day or over the weekends. Every weekend you wash. Which part of your body do you use for washing? So when you are washing, you use the hands, the eyes, we sit. So you use your bottles and other parts to do these tasks. Now, so we are saying that our body parts are so important. Our body parts are so important, and no single part can work alone. One part needs the other before it can what? Perfectly work. I hope you get it. Very good. We are coming to the end of the lesson, but there are some questions that you need to know the answers. When you talk of external parts, they are the parts of our body that we can see with our eyes. What are some of the external parts? We have the head, where the brain is. We have the hands, which is used to touch and hold things. We have the neck, which support the head. The chest is here. We have the abdomen, the legs. Have you seen it? Yes, so we have so many parts. And all the parts are so important that we need to take good care of them. Remember that the hand depends on the eyes. The eyes too depend on the hand. That is why we said they work interdependently. So if you are going back, you will see that these body parts, they all work together. So for example, the ear cannot work alone. The eyes cannot work alone. The nose cannot work alone. All of them come together to perform a task. So if you are eating, you need what? The mouth. You need the nose to smell. The aroma alone will attract you to the food. You need the eyes to see what you are eating. Do you get it? Very good. So it means the body parts, they all depend, they all need one another before they can what? They can work. So if you're asked to mention external body parts, you can mention the ear, the nose, the mouth, the hand, the head, the eye, the arm, the foot. Now we have explained the body parts and their functions. The body parts and their functions. And we have seen that whatever that we do, whatever task that we perform, we need different parts of the body to come together to perform it. If you are writing, our hands are needed, our eyes are needed, our bottles are needed, our brain is needed, which is the head. The head that contains the brain. So when you are riding bicycle, same thing. If your hands are not there, it will be difficult for you to ride. If your legs are not there, it will be difficult for you to ride. If your eyes are not there, it will be difficult for you to ride. So the activity here is riding. This activity needs different parts of the body. Okay, so when you come here, like the boy who is kicking the football, like the mother who is preparing banku, like the boy who is washing, or the boy who is what? Climbing a tree. They are doing all this activity, not using, or not by using only one body part, by using different body parts. So in summary, we are saying that the human body is made up of different or many different parts. Each part has a role or function it performs, and it is important that each part of the body is taken care of. Listen to me. Don't ever think that your eyes are more important than your legs, or your hands are more important than your ears. All the body parts are important, and because of that, we need to take good care of it. In fact, the legs need the other parts of the body. The head also needs the other parts of the body. So we are bringing the lesson to a close, and if I ask you to do this activity, I hope you'll be able to do it. So now, let's go and look at the exercises. Okay, so let's look at exercise 1. Take your book, or if you have your book there, you see the exercise 1 in it. So exercise 1, underline the correct answer. So you just underline the correct answer for me. Question 1. Which part of the body is used for eating, drinking, and talking? We have A, stomach, B, mouth, C, head, D, eyes. What is your answer? Which part of the body is used for eating, drinking, and talking? All of you, the answer is what? B, which is mouth. We use the mouth to do that. Number 2, the hands, legs, and eyes can work together to A, sing, B, write, C, clap, D, sweep. The answer is what? To what? To sweep. Very good. Question 3. Which part of the body contains the brain? A, head, B, stomach, C, abdomen, D, chest. The brain, yes, the answer is what? The head. Question 4. Which part of the body is used for smelling? So we have A, mouth, B, nose, C, ears, D, eyes. Smelling, we use what? The nose to smell. Number 5. All these parts are in pairs, except what it means is that the parts, they are 2. So all these parts are in pairs, except, meaning one of them is single. The eyes, how many eyes? We have 2. Hands, they are 2. Nose is only 1. Ears 2. So the answer is what? Nose. I believe the exercise is simple for you. Now the other exercises. Exercise 2 is here. So you look into your exercise book or your textbook. You can find it at page 72. Then you do exercise 2, exercise 3. Draw the body parts in the box. So you draw the mouth, you draw the eyes. Go to this side, exercise 4. We have so many exercises for you. Use the picture to answer the questions. So question 1A, what is the girl doing? Look at this picture. You answer all the questions. Let's come to this side, exercise 5. You can find all these in your textbook. So you use the textbook to do it for me. Write the functions of these body parts. So we have these, the legs, the hands, the head, the mouth, and then the eyes. I have homework for you. Home assignment. Your work is to draw an external human body and label 10 parts. Draw external human body and label 10 parts. I hope this exercise is simple for you, and I believe you can do it. So do it for me. When you finish, just send it or put your answers at the comment section. I'll look at it and answer it for you. So this is the end of our lesson. I hope you enjoyed. If you have questions, remember to ask your questions. Put the questions at the comment section at the correct time. I'll look at it and answer all of them for you. You can also consult your teacher if there is something that you don't understand. Your teachers are so good that they can help you to answer all the questions. Thank you. Bye-bye.